So today we're going to have a presentation from Miss Supriya. She's going to have a presentation, and all of you please pay attention there. And if you have the questions, oh my God, madam ran away. Okay, all of you please get ready with your questions, and if you have any questions, any doubts regarding that as well, you can ask madam. Okay. She's coming in a minute. Just wait, please. And if you have any questions, any doubts, all of you please ask me. Okay. Don't get bothered. But I want you people to practice at home. And if you have any questions, write down the questions and ask me in the class. Okay. Hello, Miss Sahana.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Yeah, pretty well, thanks. So, what are you practicing, ma'am, now?
I'm practicing grammar, sir.
Grammar. Okay. Are you watching the videos?
No, sir.
Why? Why? Listen to me, ma'am, carefully. Now, what are you going to do? Go through the videos, go in fast forward. In YouTube, you have the option for fast forward, right? Do you know that?
Yes.
Yeah. If you know, start the video. In the options, you will find there speed of playing. Play speed is there. Just go with fast forward speed and watch all the videos faster. Okay. And try to finish the videos. And if you have any questions, any doubts regarding those videos, you can ask me anytime. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but please go with all the videos. And today I'm going to share with all of you basic, intermediate, and advanced videos. Okay. So there are around 70 to 80 videos are there. Go through the videos, and if you have any questions, any doubts regarding that as well, copy down, note down the doubts, and ask me in class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. And please get ready for further sessions as well. And today I'll be talking about what? Public speaking in English. So before that, I'm going to have here one simple presentation from Miss Supriya. Then I'm going to share with you here something about public speaking. Okay. Good. Madam, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So Miss Supriya is going to give a very good presentation over here today. And if you have any questions, you might be having questions, you can ask her at the end of the session. Okay. Good. Very good, ma'am. Let's go. So here we go.
Hi, everyone. Can I start, sir?
Yeah, please start.
Hi, everyone. I'm Supriya Pute. I'm 24. I'm Indian. I'm from Pune. Yesterday, while talking with my friends, I said about the current scenario. Suddenly, the point which came into my mind is depression. Everyone in the world, in today's world, everyone facing a problem of depression, but no one can actually talk about it or think about it. That's why I think it's today's need. Everyone should know about the depression. These are the some highlights of my depression, and let's begin with the what is depression. Depression is a common serious illness which depression is a common and serious medical illness which are when negatively affect what you think, the way you act, and how you feel. I want to give example here. For example, if you invest your anything like your time, efforts, and money to get something or the achieve something, but when you get nothing, then you feel depressed, and when you are trust someone blindly and your heart is broken by that person, that time also you feel depressed. There are next one is causes of depression. There are some causes of depression like a feeling of sadness, uh, dislike the activity which are when previously enjoyed. It can be lead to the variety of physical or the emotional problems. The depressed person can be depression can be also reduce the activity of the ability of a person to function well at a work or the office. Next point is conflict. Sometimes the personal conflict with the family and the friends can be also lead to the depression, uh, and the loss or the.
Madam, do you want to wait? Sorry. Do you want to share your screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can share your screen. No problem. That will be great. Good. 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 Go on.
Can you see it, sir?
Yeah, that's really great. Good. Go on. Very good.
It's from starting. Depression. These are the highlights of my presentation. Introduction, I already talk about it, and what is depression, I also explain it. The causes of depression, there I talk about it. The feeling of sadness, the feeling of anxiety, dislike the activity which are to be previously enjoyed, and depressed person can be an also depression can also reduce the activity of a person to function well at a work or the office. Conflict, sometimes the conflict with the family and the friends can be also reduce the ability of an can be also lead to the depression. Genetic, sometimes the sometimes the family history of depression can be an increase the risk. Sir, can you see me? Hello.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, we can see you. Go on. Good.
Sometimes the family history of depression can be also increase the risk of depression. Major event, even a good event like getting married, got a new job, and graduation, it can be also lead to the depression. So moving it on, the losing of job, divorce, and the retirement. Uh, it can be and also lead to the depression. Serious illness. Some serious illness are when coexist with the depression. It may be triggered by another medical condition. Next is signs and the symptoms. There are many signs and the symptoms of depression. It may be vary from person to person, but there are some common signs and the symptoms of depression, like a feeling of sadness, feeling of anxiety, feeling of guilty, shame, the feeling of helpless, change in our sleeping habit, like sleeping too much, sleeping too little, change in appetite habits, eating too much or the too little, even suicidal thoughts, or the attempt to bear a suicide. It is a signs and the symptoms of depression. There are some physical symptoms of depression, like an anxiety and the cramps, pains, headaches, feeling of tension, change in mood, uh, feeling out of the control, dislike the daily routines and the relationships, and the feeling of tension. Here I want to talk about the specific this point, the feeling of tension, because everyone in a life have faced this situation. When we are kid, we are tense at the time of an examination or the result, and when we are younger, we are when feel tense when we are losing a job or the breakup is a common reason on younger. And when we are senior citizen are when facing a depression when there is any financial issue in family. Next is diagnosis. There isn't any depression test available which can doctor use to see if you have it. Therefore, figuring out the depression at when even start with the thorough physical and the thorough history and the physical examination. Doctor want to know what is your symptoms, how long it is to be analyzed, and how several they are. If you have any history of drugs or the alcohol, and if anyone in your family are when facing a depression and any medical illness. Next is treatment. There, if your doctor are when rule out the physical depression of the reason of physical depression of your depression, then he may start on you a treatment. It may be an include the medicine like an antidepressant and psychotherapy, or both. Example, here I want to share my example because the few year backs I also faced the problem of depression because I failed in some examination, and I used that time I used to sleep for hours and hours. My appetite habits are also changed. You don't believe, I also hospitalized for the few days. Thereafter my sister and my dad took me to the psychologist, and took my examination. They talk with me personally and my family members, and they suggest me to take a gap for a few months from your routine and do what you want to do. And do two things in on daily basis. First is meditation and the physical activity. I follow their suggestion, and and thereafter I give this examination again, and I cleared it with a flying marks. I share my story not to show off or not to prove something. I want, but I want favor from everyone. if you see anyone in a life facing the problem of depression, encourage them gently to seek the sum of this option available, to seek the sum of this option available. This is the first step. When the person facing the problem of depression, help them to booking a psychotherapy in your area. The even openly talking about the depression can be and also reduce the risk of depression, reduce the can be and also help the person to ask for the help. And researchers said even talking about the suicidal thoughts can be and also reduce the risk can be and also reduce the risk of suicide of that person. Then their solution of this problem is I think the meditation is a best medicine for the every problem related to the mental or the health. As like the food is necessary for our body, healthy body, as the same like the meditation is necessary for our healthy mind. Next is there is some yogasana. Yogasana are play the very important role to recover the person from a depression. Here is a few yogasana like an Sarvangasana, Bhujangasana, and the Setu Bandhasana are to refer the are to best to recover the person from the depression. And we how do we understood the music is a part of our life and music make everything better. Nature, you can receive the tremendous amount of energy from a nature, therefore you have to respect the nature and the be with nature. And the dance can be also helpful for our mental and the physical health. Last but not the least, as Ms. Mahek said in their presentation, the kids are also facing the problem of depression. It is true because, sorry to say, but their parent is focusing on earning the money for their future, but not focusing on their present. They gave them mobile phone when the kid are when not eating well, and from that time they kid are get attracted to the toward the mobile phone, and the use of mobile phone are when increases day by day. I have a solution for it. The every parent have to play the some physical game with their kid, uh, and increase your family conversation. It can be and also reduce the risk of depression because you know the what your family member what in what situation your family member are when going through, and if friendly conversation with the family can be also reduce the risk of depression. That's it. If anyone have any question, then ask me.
Wow, beautiful, amazing, amazing. That's really good. I'm so impressed by her today. By the way, please all of you tell her very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Very good. All the Bihari people, please say very good, very nice.
Very nice.
Good, good. That's really amazing. I'm really impressed that the way she was speaking, and it was quite furious and as well as I can say very fast, but she was speaking really awesome. And I have given her that till now without a question and answers. I have given her almost 70. Now I would like to have the further interaction as well, how she is going to interact with the students. Let's go. Please ask her the questions one by one, please. Dumb people, please ask her the questions. Okay, the first question is coming from my side, ma'am. The first question, as you are just giving a depression on a presentation on depression, it was really beautiful. I really liked it, and it was really marvelous, and it was quite helpful as well for the people as well. And it was really very awesome topic for today's time. Now, one more thing is there, as we can see here, the depression, as you have just elaborated here in different types, that depression of the causes of depression through breakup, through studies, through social problems, through some economical and social, or through some financial problem, through some home problem, and multiple things you have discussed over here. I'm really happy for this one. But the thing is what is the major treatment for depression can we have? The major level treatment for depression can we have? Means what, for example, I would like to say one more thing. The very good point that you have given over here is what there was a medicine. Am I right?
Yeah.
You were talking about some kind of medicine there, and the medicine name was something I think, yeah, antidepressant name was there of the medicine and something.
Yeah.
So as you have given the name of the medicine also, so I'm so really happy for this one, and it was really beautiful. But my major question is what that what could be the major treatment can we give to a person for curing from attention and from depression?
You may help them to um, like motivate him to do
Okay,
something, and
great.
if we can help them to refer this yogasana as I explained my
Yes,
presentation,
yes,
and music. You also refer him to go somewhere where he like to go, like I like to go when I depress. I like to go in my farm where I used to live alone, and I think about what is the reason of my depression, and I see the motivational video. It is the best medicine. You have, everyone in a life have to see the motivational video. It plays a very important role in our life because uh, it motivate you to do something in your life which
which will
how
help
can
you.
which will help everyone to achieve it, and to see some dream for
That's really great.
we have to focus on it and go through it.
That's really great. One more thing is there. She has given here 4 points. That point number one, then you can let's go with the yoga. Second thing, you can motivate the person. Third thing, you can go with music. And fourth thing is what you can just start thinking about it so that it will become a really kind of medicine for all of you. That how and why are you depressing yourself? Right?
Yeah.
Great one. 4 answers she has given. Very good. Next question, please.
I have a question. Is depression a mental illness?
Yeah, depression is a mental illness.
Miss Supriya, actually, she's asking what can depression only be mental or physical also?
It is both,
Okay,
but it starts with mental illness because first we think about it, and then our body respond it.
okay. Can you please
When
explain?
as like
Go on, go on. Sorry.
for example, when we feel excited, our bodies get energetic.
Correct.
When we feel something is sad, then our body is, that time also our body is responding our thoughts. Therefore that's why the depression automatically start with mental, our thoughts. Therefore depression is a mental, start with mental, and it is a mental illness.
Okay. So literally, you are saying that depression starts with mental. It means
Mental illness.
depression is what a mental illness, right?
Yeah.
And sometimes it leads to our physical body illness as well, right?
Yeah.
Can you please
But
give me some
I want to,
examples like?
I want to explain here, the feeling of depression and depression are two different things.
Okay.
As like we feel depressed, some person are feel depressed the change in weather, and we feel depressed when someone mm, when someone act when we think the someone is a actor of can I explain
Go on, go on. I'm listening. I'm listening. Go on.
when someone say we expect someone to act the specific
Humble
way,
and polite. Okay.
at the specific way of our act, but he act some negative way. That time also we feel depressed.
Okay. Okay.
The
Okay.
when when our feeling depression is continue for 2 weeks, then it is converted into the depression.
Oh. So depression doesn't come directly.
No, yeah.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
starting with feeling depressed,
Okay. Okay. What is the biggest effect on the body that you can see through depression?
feeling of sleepy, and
Okay.
appetite habits are changed,
Okay. Okay. That's really good.
and dislike the
Yes.
activity we are daily enjoy our daily routine, and as we like activity previously, like listening to music, but we don't like listening music or talking with someone. when we are facing a problem of depression.
Okay, so ultimately the person will dislike his own routine.
Yeah.
That's really great. Nice answer. Happy, very good. Good answer. So there is a question in the chat box. Miss Mahek, can you please speak up? Miss Mahek?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, speak up.
What ideas are on the horizon for better, more effective ways to treat depression?
Sorry, can you speak loudly? I can't listen to you.
What ideas are on the horizon for better, more effective ways to treat depression?
Sir, can you
Yeah.
speak again?
So actually she's asking what is the most effective ways to treat depression? Now, for example, there are many multiple kinds of depression as you have explained over here, right? Now, what is the effective way to treat depression? For example, suppose, for example, if the person is getting depressed and he's coming to know, oh my God, I'm getting depressed and depression will be affecting me. So what is the best treatment that can we give from our side to the depression?
The first, we can't treat them as a special one. We treat them as a common person, and they speak in as you speak in daily life with that person, and you seek them the some of the option available as I said in my presentation, like you help them to book them psychology. Here the psychologist help them to recover that person from depression, and we help them to motivate them to from what point he feel depressed, as like he feel depressed due as like I feel depressed when I fell in examination. Then that if you are in my if you are my parents or something, that you have to motivate me to do that thing again, and that's it. You have to motivate that person.
Okay,
And
very good.
give them
Mhm.
some of the option available, as like say as I said in my presentation.
That's really great. So this is what you have given the good treatment for the person who is getting depressed, right?
Yeah.
What about ourselves? Suppose, for example, you're feeling that, oh my God, I'm getting depressed. So how shall I handle my own self?
We have to motivate ourselves.
Okay,
Why
so
we should depress?
But how can we motivate ourselves?
how can we
By
motivate ourselves?
seeing a motivational videos. There are many motivational videos available on YouTube, and biggest motivation in our as we can see every day, the Mr. Ansari Idrisi.
Oh my God. So she's saying that we can just go with motivational videos and it will help us a lot, and we can just cure our depression as well. And she has given at the beginning only when I asked her the question, the same question I asked her in a different way. So she has already answered this question that we can go for music, we can go for motivational videos, we can treat ourselves with a better way. And apart from this one, we can go
Yogasana
for
is the
yoga,
best
yoga
medicine.
also.
Meditation and yogasana are the best.
Correct. Okay, my one more question is there, that taking medicine directly, is it good for depression?
No.
Like, for example, you have given here the medicine. So what about the medicine? When can we take the medicine? What is that stage?
When we thought about the suicidal thoughts
Oh,
or attempt to be on a suicide, there is some panic attacks.
oh,
That
that's
person need the meditation. But when we are in basic stage, then the psychologist ask, they suggest suggest him suggest us to meditation is the best medicine
that's
rather
really
than
great.
giving the medicines.
Okay, my some personal question is to you, that do you do meditation every day?
Yeah.
Really? When?
Yeah. Morning at 6:30.
At 6:30.
Yeah.
Okay, what sort of meditation are you doing?
Mm. I don't know about what we say in English. I do the
Vipassana.
नाही, श्वासन श्वास त्याला म्हणतात मराठीत. इंग्लिश मध्ये काय म्हणतात नाही माहित.
Person. What is that? Okay, that is what the breathing one, right?
Yeah.
That is Vipassana. That is
हा.
Vipassana. I'm doing the same. I'm doing the same. But one more thing
Surya
then I
Namaskar.
have.
Surya Namaskar and
Okay. Okay. I'll ask you some questions later then. That's really great. Glad to know this one. Yes, Mr. Mustaqim. Your question, please. Mr. Mustaqim.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please, your question now.
For example, in my family, one person is pursuing from depression. So, what is the family member work on this
Okay. How can a
person?
family member help that person who's getting
Uh,
depressed, right?
yes.
Okay. Yeah, continue.
actually I answered this question 2 times, sir.
Hmm.
When you ask,
Yes.
Actually, she has answered already this question that we can just take that person to a very good place. We can just make his sightseeing well.
and
Apart
treat
from
them
this
as
one,
a
you can
common person,
motivate him.
not a treat them. First, we have to treat them as a common person, not a special one.
Okay. Oh my God. This is also the psychology again. That you are going to treat that person commonly. Do not
Not
treat
a
that person as special and just don't
special
make him
person.
that he's so depressed. Just make him to
Or
treat.
don't restrict that person to doing something. When we, as like I'm losing some money in of stock, my dad is not stopping me to do trading in daily. He increased. He taught me. He said me.
Start trading every day.
Start trading, but uh,
Don't stop.
teach something when you lose something.
Okay.
From where you
Great
lose.
one. Means what ultimately her father literally motivated her that don't stop trading, but whenever you lose something, then gain something, hit something.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah. Any other question from
What
any
is
other?
the percentage of depression in India?
Yeah, nice question. What is the percentage?
In every second, 90% of people dead suicide due to depression. 90% people dead due to depression.
Every
Huh?
what? Every?
Every second,
Oh my God.
90% people dead due to suicide.
So what is the ratio of India in depression?
Sorry, I don't know about it.
Okay. You must say like this. I'm sorry, I'm not aware. I'll be coming back to you on this question. Okay. Yeah, always remember this line. Don't say I don't know. You can say, I'm sorry, I'm not aware. Or you can say directly, I'll be coming back to you on this question. Or I'll come back to you on this question. Very good. Yes, good question. Yeah.
At what age were you diagnosed?
Commonly, we depression are going to start with in age of 15 to 34,
Especially.
especially.
Okay, what about 34? After 34?
That time also we feel depressed, but the the starting moment is 15 to 34.
Okay.
Serious depression are going to start in this age.
Okay, the serious depression is there. Oh, I see.
Ma'am,
Great. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Miss Mahek, go on. Miss Mahek.
yes, sir.
Yeah, go on.
Ma'am, how meditation can help us to reduce depression?
Okay.
When we meditate, we feel relaxed. Our thought, our mind is get blank, and we are uh,
Okay, I'll support her. Now, the moment when you are meditating yourself, at that time you literally live in present. You forget about past, you forget about future as well. Point number one. The moment when you are meditating yourself, at that time you live literally in the present. And when the person is living in the present, he literally stops thinking about what he stops thinking about love, stops thinking about hate, stops thinking about irritation, stops thinking about depression. He stops thinking about the other bad habits, bad things, bad abuses of the people, bad faces of the people. He literally lives in present and literally he focuses on himself. And apart from this one, as Miss Supriya is meditating, that is what Vipassana, she's looking after the breath. She's feeling the breath and she's observing the breath. It is a platform where she's literally observing the breath, that how the breath is coming through the nose and going through there. So literally we are focusing on the nose and the breath. At that time, we don't have anything to think of. And we are literally focusing on ourselves and our life. That's it.
I just want to add something.
Yeah, add. Good.
When you meditate, you feel energetic, happy, and get motivated to achieve your goal.
Correct. And apart from this one, yeah, go on.
Therefore, you at least meditate one day, you feel change in your daily routine and everything in your life. Your mind is get positive to think anything about it. As like and your mood is also fresh.
Correct. One more thing I would like to tell all of you, that the moment when you meditate yourself, at that time you feel completely relaxed. Means what? Sometimes what will happen if you are new to meditation, you people will feel sleepy. You know why? Because you are completely blank and you people are what? Completely in peace. So when you are in peace, at the time you literally feel what? That yes, I'm feeling really very good and I'm really happy. So this is the best medicine for depression. That's really good. Yes. Next question,
So
please.
one last question.
Yeah, please ask.
Whenever we do meditation, then other things comes to mind. So how can we remove to it?
Now one more thing. See, let her answer first. Yes, Miss Supriya, answer.
Breathing meditation is best when you think about anything. When you breathing, your thought, your mind will get blank, and you feel cool and clear.
Cool and calm. Okay. Now she's asking what, Miss Supriya, that the moment when we meditate ourselves, at that time we think about the some other things. As she's asking. Now my question is there. First of all, my question is there to Miss Mahek. Miss Mahek, do you meditate yourself?
Sometimes, sir.
Okay, sometimes only. You don't meditate daily, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, I would like to say one more thing. If you are new to meditation, point number one, you are not going to focus on things. Why? Because it's not your habits. Are you getting the points? Point number one. Second thing, the moment when you meditate yourself, at the time you are literally making up yourself that you are having meditation. You're not showing yourself that you are relaxing yourself. You're showing that you are eating some kind of medicine. Now, let me tell you one more thing. The moment when we have some kind of disease, correct? We are good, we are okay, but still we have the medicine. And while having the medicine, our heart says, oh my God, I'm ill. Oh my God, I'm sick. Oh my God, I'm ill. So at that time you feel that, oh my God, I'm ill. And you are literally making up yourself that you are really ill. And after seeing that medicine, you literally become ill. However, you are completely healthy, but mentally you become ill. Same case with the moment when you are having meditation or you are meditating yourself, at that time you are not focusing on meditation because you're not thinking about the meditation. Point number one. And second thing, if you are just going to do it every day, just make it a routine for at least 1 week. 1 week routine should be there. If you're making the routine of meditation every day, literally will find there the good good changes are there, and you are literally feeling peaceful, and you will stop thinking about the other things, and you'll be habituated by focusing on your own breath. That's the most important thing.
Therefore, positive thinking is best.
Correct. Very good.
You have
Really?
to feel positive or think positive when you meditate.
Oh my God. Okay, madam. Yes, any questions to anyone? That's really good. And I'm really happy that from my side, I'm giving her 10 marks grace, and she's going to get the 95 marks ultimately out of her 100. Please, all of you, tell her very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very
Very
nice.
good and very nice.
Good.
Thank you.
Garib people, please repeat once again. Very good, very nice. Yeah,
Very
that's
good,
really
very
good.
nice.
Awesome, awesome. Can you please stop recording? Sorry, can you please stop sharing, ma'am? That's really awesome. By the way, when did you prepare it?
just 2 or 3 days before.
That's really awesome. So did you mug it 10 times?
No. Sir,
So it was
actually,
very nice.
I go through it, therefore I don't need to mug up it.
Good. No, it was really awesome and I really liked it. And now I'm just thinking, oh my God, Miss, what do we say? Miss Supriya was just before. She was, Miss Supriya was completely depressed that how can I give my presentation, and she was asking me now today she has given really awesome. I'm so happy for this one. That's really awesome. Good. Awesome. Keep on. Okay.
Sir, can you remove me from? I joined from a mobile.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah, done with it. Okay. So guys, ultimately here I would like to go and I would like to add something over here new, and that's what presentation. As you people have already given a presentation over here. Apart from this one, is anyone remaining from this class for presentation? Asma is remaining. Asma,
Yes, sir.
Sahana. So I want you people to give a presentation. Will you be able to give? Just try. I know that it is not your batch, and you people
Actually,
have
sir,
missed
I
at the
prepared
beginning.
the presentation, but can I share it tomorrow?
Yeah, absolutely
Because
not
I
today.
want to share the screen and I didn't have laptop right now.
See, I'm not asking for today. Today already Miss Supriya has given. So I want you people to try next time. So will you be able to give tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Good. Miss Sahana.
No, sir.
Yeah. So when are you going to give a presentation? Give a small presentation. No problem. Will you?
Okay.
Sahana madam.
Okay, sir.
दिल से नहीं आ रहा है. Okay. मुझे ओके स्ट्रॉन्ग वाला चाहिए. Yes sir. देने वाली हूँ मैं. Presentation. Yes.
Yes, sir. In October.
Very good. Okay, I'll be waiting for your presentation. Okay, guys. So one more thing is there that all of you see, as we have finished here multiple things. So I want you people to prepare a presentation. Now, one more thing that I'm going to share with you today. It is one of the most important thing. I'll be sharing with you in the link in the chat box only. Okay. So before we go ahead, I can share with you something over here. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good one. So as you can see my screen over here, on the screen you will find that my channel is there. My YouTube channel is there. So Ansar Idrisi, communication trainer. Okay. So go through this channel. I'm not advertising myself. Point number one, I'm not saying go and subscribe my channel. I'm not saying go and like my videos. I'm not saying go and share my videos. The basic requirement of yours is what? Public speaking, correct?
Sir,
Now, public, yeah,
I see.
that's really very good. Now, what I'm going to share with you today, pay attention, all of you. Now, as you can see here, public speaking in the playlist. Go to my channel, go to playlists. In the playlist, you will find there public speaking. There is a perfect public speaking playlist is there. Go to the playlist of public speaking and you will find there videos. Videos are there, around 15 videos we have. And the videos are very, very short. I have given long time back, I have given a very good presentation on public speaking. And I've just made the videos on in public speaking in different elements. Okay. I just cracked the video into different parts and I just made the clips. Short clips are there, 9 minutes, 8 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So 2 to 3 minutes videos are there. Go and watch all the videos. You have the time of Monday, means what today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Friday, I want the results. I want the results. What results I'm asking? Let me explain you. Go through the videos and whatever you learn from the videos of my videos, just try to implement in your life. For example, suppose in this video, I'm talking about what? Written English, written public speaking. Go and start working on it. In the second video, if I'm speaking about what? Audios and videos, go and start making audios and videos. In the third video, if I'm speaking about what public speaking, talking to the cousins and all. Start doing that. Start making the activities. And I want the results on Friday. Okay. Second thing. Now, second thing is coming. Public speaking is what? My question is there to all of you. What is public speaking? Can you please tell me in brief? What is public speaking? I want the answer only in one line. Guys, what is public speaking?
Talking in public.
Talking in public. Next one, please. I've put the link in the chat box. Okay, you people can copy from there. I've put the link in the chat box. Yes, what is public speaking? People. Yes.
Represent yourself, what you think about that point, or explain that point.
Okay, represent yourself in the public, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next please.
Communication with the audience.
Communication with the audience. Very nice. What else? Yes. Yes. What else is public speaking? Communication with the public, interacting with the public, talking to the public. Yes. What else? Public speaking is
Share information to the public.
share information with the public. Nice.
Daily routine.
Okay. Talking about the daily routine. Not exactly. Okay. Now let me share with you here. What is public speaking is generally. Now listen to me carefully, all of you. As you can see, public speaking is not so great and rocket science. But badi cheez nahi public speaking. Public speaking is really very easy funda. Very easy matter. Why? Listen to me carefully. Now, public speaking doesn't mean that take a mic, face a camera, and come on the stage and speak up. It doesn't mean every time. Public speaking doesn't mean every time that take a mic in the hand, face a camera, and come on the stage and speak up. It doesn't mean every time. Public speaking is what? Just come up with your thoughts and express your thoughts in the public. Whatever the platform is there, doesn't matter. But just come in the public and speak up. So you can speak up in different ways. Now, for example, let me tell you one more thing. Public speaking can come in various areas. For example, point number one, public speaking can have literally different kinds of elements. Point number one, you can go with public speaking orally. You're talking to the people, public speaking orally. You can go with public speaking, written English. By writing, you can have public speaking. People say, huh? Public speaking by writing. Yes, I do say. You can go with social media, go live on Facebook, go live on YouTube, go live on Instagram, go live on LinkedIn, and have public speaking. Point number four, you can go with your own thoughts and ideas and talk to the people. Just generate your own knowledge, experience, have your experience and share with the people. Public speaking. Now let me share with you some of the good blueprints of public speaking. Point number one, what do you think public speaking is what? Public speaking is really very easy. You can start with the small things. For example, people think, "Arey yaar, how can we go in the public? How can I speak in the public? What to say in the public? क्या बोलूं? जाकर क्या बोलूं मैं भी? क्या करूं? Public speaking मेरा काम थोड़ी, मैं भाषण थोड़ी दे सकता हूं. मैं नेता थोड़ी हूं. No, public speaking can start with the small things. Let me share with you. आप लोग को मैंने वहां पे वीडियोस कट करके क्यों दिया हूं? एक एक वीडियो के अंदर जो आपको सीखने मिला उसके ऊपर काम करना है. स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट. वो चीज के ऊपर काम करो. आपको मैंने ये चीज बोला इसके अंदर, वो चीज पे काम करो. वॉच वन वीडियो, स्टार्ट वर्किंग. वॉच वन वीडियो, स्टार्ट वर्किंग. फ्राइडे के दिन मुझे आंसर चाहिए, मुझे रिजल्ट चाहिए मेरे सामने. सेकेंड थिंग, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग बेसिक लेवल पे, सबसे बेसिक लेवल पे कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? I'll give you the trick. Now all of you have LinkedIn account, correct? आप लोग को सबके पास में LinkedIn का अकाउंट है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Instagram का अकाउंट है, राइट?
Okay.
Facebook है, Instagram है, करेक्ट? एटलीस्ट WhatsApp है, बराबर ना? झूठ बात तो करना ही मत.
Yes, sir.
आपको आपके माँ की कसम. Okay? So all of you have social media, correct? करने का क्या? What are you going to do there? Just write your own thoughts in small lines. Now let me share with you here my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
No, sir.
Yeah. So as you can see here on my screen, you will find there. Don't know what the hell is wrong with this one. Yeah. On my screen, you will find their articles are there. I think the articles, million likes never be enough for you. This is what my LinkedIn profile. And on my LinkedIn profile, I used to write the articles and I used to share my own thoughts and I used to share in public. This is the basic level of public speaking. Now, for example, what are you going to speak up in public? Whatever you think, whatever the experience you have, whatever you think about the social people, whatever you think about the professional people, whatever the accidents and incidents happening in your life, whatever you're seeing every day with the people, by the people, of the people, just go and share in your own ideas. Share your own ideas in the public. That's called public speaking. That's it. Now, for example, I'll give you one more example. See, add life to years, but not years to life. I have written a very good article on it. See, how many lines are there? 4, 7, 10, 11, 15. Only 15 lines are there. Short, small 15 lines are there. If I abbreviate them, it will become 6 lines. Only 6 lines I have written and posted on my social media. I used to post on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Even I used to post on my WhatsApp as well. This is what people used to read my thoughts. Oh my God, मालूम नहीं था यार मुस्तकीम इतना भारी लड़का यार क्या लिखता है यार, ब्यूटीफुल क्या लिखता है वो. Oh my God, महक मेरे को तो लग रहा था यार बच्ची को कुछ भी नहीं आता है, देखो कितना भारी कुछ लिखा है वो लड़की ने. Wow, beautiful. Means what? You are going to share your ideas in public. You're going to share your thoughts in public. Now, for example, thousands of warriors were killed in the delay of a letter. अभी आप लोग को मालूम है ये स्टोरी मैंने आप लोग को बोला था. Do you remember that story? मैंने आप लोग को ये स्टोरी बोला था. I have written that story in short. मैंने वो स्टोरी पूरा शॉर्ट में बना के लिखा, लोगों के अंदर शेयर किया. People are going to like it. People are going to love it. This is a kind of public speaking. Best एकदम. Public speaking का सबसे छोटा फंडा ही. At this level, you can start public speaking. For example, take your ideas, share your experience with the public through social media. अब इसके अंदर बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Start writing 5 lines, 10 lines, 5 lines, 10 lines every day and posting on your social media, LinkedIn account, Facebook account, Instagram account. Okay? Post on your social media. This is the best way. First way of writing articles and posting in the public speaking. Second, after this one, you can go through all the public speaking videos over here and watch whatever I have just given there. Okay. Now, public speaking doesn't mean that you're going to come with the camera, with a mic on the stage and going to speak there. Doesn't mean that. Now you can start speaking with your friends. You can start speaking with your colleagues. You can start speaking with your family. Start speaking to them very frankly. This is also public speaking. So public speaking has multiple factors that you can go and you can just add them. Okay. Now I have shared with you the link in the chat box. Go through the link and practice them. On Friday, I want the results. On Friday, please come with the result and please tell me, sir, I watched your all 15 videos of public speaking and I started writing articles. This is my article. Show me the article. I want the result. I watched your videos, sir. I got motivated through there and I started recording my own videos. Show me the recordings. Show me the articles. Show me your letters. Show me your own written, handwritten pages and lines that you have just shared, your experience, your incidents. Okay. So show me your social media. If you want to see more, go to LinkedIn and see my profile there. And you will find there multiple articles I have written there. I used to write multiple articles there and I've written multiple articles there and I've posted. Go and see how public speaking can be done. Is that clear? So with the link, go with the link. And if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me. Any questions to anyone?
No, sir.
All right. We'll see you tomorrow on time. Okay, guys, we'll see you tomorrow on time. Cheerio. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.